Virtual reality is an ever-evolving field, and every new device brings us closer to fully immersive experiences. The Meta Quest 4, Meta's latest rumored VR headset, has already generated a buzz among tech enthusiasts and gamers. With whispers of revolutionary upgrades, enhanced performance, and groundbreaking features, the Meta Quest 4 could redefine what we expect from standalone VR systems, a leap forward for VR technology. The Meta Quest 4 promises to usher in a new era of virtual reality with a series of innovative advancements. While the Meta Quest 3 set a high bar with its impressive hardware and software, the Quest 4 is expected to go even further, pushing boundaries with refined ergonomics, improved visuals, and next-level processing power. Whether you're an avid gamer, a fitness enthusiast, or a professional exploring VR's applications in productivity, the Quest 4 aims to deliver something for everyone's sleek design and superior comfort. One of the areas where the Meta Quest 4 is expected to shine is its design. Meta is rumored to have focused heavily on user comfort, ensuring the headset can be worn for extended periods without causing strain. Here are some of the expected improvements. Lightweight build. The Quest 4 is anticipated to feature a lighter frame than its predecessor, reducing the pressure on users' heads and necks during long sessions. Balanced weight distribution. By refining the weight balance, Meta aims to make the device feel almost weightless, ideal for gaming marathons or virtual meetings. Enhanced padding. Improved facial padding will cater to various face shapes and sizes, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit for everyone. Adjustable head strap. A redesigned head strap with added flexibility and durability promises to accommodate a wider range of users. These enhancements reflect Meta's commitment to creating a device that feels natural and effortless to wear, making VR accessible to more people. Crystal clear visuals, a feast for the eyes. Visual fidelity plays a crucial role in how immersive a VR experience feels, and the Meta Quest 4 is expected to set new standards in display technology. Key upgrades includes higher resolution. The Quest 4 is rumored to feature a significant increase in pixel density, delivering sharper visuals with reduced screen door effects. Improved refresh rate. A higher refresh rate will ensure smoother motion, making fast-paced games and videos more enjoyable. Vibrant colors. Enhanced color accuracy and brightness will bring virtual worlds to life, offering unparalleled realism. Advanced optics. Meta is reportedly working on improved lenses that reduce glare and distortion, ensuring clear visuals across the entire field of view. These upgrades are expected to make the Meta Quest 4 a game-changer for those who prioritize visual clarity in their VR experiences. Performance. Power meets efficiency. Under the hood, the Meta Quest 4 is rumored to feature a state-of-the-art chipset designed to deliver unmatched performance. Here's what we might see. Next-generation processor. The new processor is expected to provide faster load times, seamless multitasking, and support for more complex VR environments. Enhanced GPU. A more powerful graphics processing unit will allow for richer, more detailed visuals without compromising performance. Thermal management. Improved cooling systems will ensure consistent performance even during extended use. This blend of power and efficiency positions the Quest 4 as a versatile device suitable for gaming, professional applications, and everything in between. Revolutionary controllers and tracking. Meta is expected to introduce redesigned controllers with advanced features to elevate the VR experience. Some of the rumored improvements include better haptics. Enhanced haptic feedback will provide more nuanced sensations, making interactions in virtual environments feel more natural. Ergonomic design. The new controllers are anticipated to be more comfortable to hold, with improved grips for extended use. Precision tracking. Advanced tracking systems will ensure accurate movement detection, allowing for smoother interactions in VR. Hand tracking integration. Meta is reportedly refining its hand tracking capabilities, enabling users to interact without controllers in certain scenarios. These updates aim to make the Meta Quest 4's controls as intuitive and immersive as possible. Extended battery life for uninterrupted adventures. Battery life is a critical factor in the usability of standalone VR headsets, and the Meta Quest 4 is rumored to address this with optimized power consumption. Improved energy efficiency will extend usage times, allowing for longer gaming or work sessions. Fast charging. Quick charge technology will reduce downtime, ensuring you can get back to your VR experiences sooner. Replaceable battery option. Some reports suggest that Meta might include an option for swappable batteries, offering added convenience for power users. These enhancements will make the Quest 4 more reliable for both casual users and dedicated VR enthusiasts. Software innovations. A smarter ecosystem beyond hardware. The Meta Quest 4 is expected to introduce significant software upgrades. These could include new user interface, a revamped UI designed for simplicity and efficiency, making navigation easier than ever. Social integration. Deeper integration with Meta's ecosystem will enable more seamless communication and collaboration in virtual spaces. AI-assisted features. Artificial intelligence might play a role in enhancing user interactions, such as predictive text in virtual keyboards or adaptive performance settings. Expanded app library. A growing selection of apps for gaming, fitness, education, and creativity will cater to diverse interests. These software upgrades will ensure the Quest 4 offers a well-rounded and engaging VR experience, transforming gaming and entertainment for gamers. The Meta Quest 4 is shaping up to be a dream device. Here's what we can look forward to: gameplay. Enhanced visuals, improved controllers, and precision tracking will make games feel more lifelike than ever. Multiplayer options. Better connectivity and social features will enable smoother multiplayer experiences. High-quality streaming. Support for high-resolution streaming will allow users to share their VR adventures in real time. In addition to gaming, the Quest 4 is expected to excel in other areas of entertainment, from virtual concerts to interactive storytelling experiences. Rumored features. The future of VR. While many details about the Meta Quest 4 remain speculative, several rumored features have captured the imagination of VR enthusiasts. Eye tracking. Improved eye tracking technology could enable more intuitive interactions and enhance performance in games and apps. Face tracking. Advanced sensors might allow for realistic facial expressions in virtual avatars. Spatial audio. Upgraded audio systems will provide immersive, directional sounds. Customizable avatars. Realistic avatars with detailed facial expressions and gestures could transform social interactions in VR. If these features are implemented, the Meta Quest 4 could become a standout device in the competitive VR market. Release date and pricing. While Meta has yet to announce an official release date, industry insiders speculate that the Meta Quest 4 could launch in late 2025. As for pricing, it's expected to remain competitive, balancing advanced features with affordability to appeal to a wide audience.